So if you like chips as much as I do, I'm always trying to find a healthier option. So today we're going to take this and turn it into crispy yumminess that's as good as any chip. So first thing we're going to do is take our cheese and cut it into 4. Try to make them as even as possible. And then we're going to put these onto a parchment lined cookie sheet. So just spread these out. When I first tried this recipe, I was very skeptical about it, but I was shocked by how good it is. The nice thing about this, you can use different cheeses. You can season it any way you want. I'm going to be using Montreal steak spice today because that's one of my favorites. You can use this with dill. You can just use kosher salt. You can make a hot version of this, a Cajun version. The possibilities are endless. We've got all our cheese laid out, and now you want to take a straw, and we're just going to make a hole in the middle of each piece. This is such an easy snack to make. And then we're going to sprinkle on our seasoning. Like I said, I'm using Montreal steak spice. So that's all there is to that. Now they're going to go into my oven, which is preheated at 275, and it'll go from about 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. So these were in for 22 minutes. At 275. They smell absolutely delicious. So we're gonna let these cool and then we're gonna try them. So here's our finished product. They've cooled off and now we're gonna try one. They look so good. Hear the crunch? Crispy, salty. These are so good, they're delicious. If you're like me with chips, they're hard to put down, you keep eating. You have 4 of these and you're good. Because it's cheese, I don't know, it just fills you up different. But to me, these are just as good. I hope you try it, they're delicious. We'll see you next time.